Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So glad that you guys could join me once again for another video. So in this video I am painting the first addition to my new press-on nail line, and these are called Summer New Month. So right now they are available in my shop, in my Etsy shop, which I will post a link to the page in the description box. Also, I'll post a link to the materials that I used for this set in the description box as well. So right now I am just going ahead and painting the base of my nails. As you can see, I started off with them already prepped and prepared and ready to go. Didn't want to bore you guys with that part because it's not interesting at all to say the least. So I just went ahead and skipped on forward to the painting part. But I'm just putting down my base and prepping the nail to get ready to go ahead and do that ombre to get that sunset vibe going on. Alright, so I'll be back when I move on to the next step. Bruh, can you believe I did that, guys? I had it flipped the wrong way. But I think I fixed it later on. But see, that's what happens when you're trying to watch TV and do nails at the same time. You get distracted. But it's all good. I think I fixed it later on. So as you guys can see, I am just using a makeup sponge to go ahead and dab on the colors to kind of get that faded ombre effect so the colors blend nicely. And I'm doing multiple layers as well. So after I do one layer, I let that dry fully, and then I go back and do the next layers until I get the desired effect. Okay, so for this pinky finger right here, I was going to try and do an ombre of the yellow underneath of that and have the glitter fade off. Ain't nobody had time for that, okay? So I just painted the whole thing glitter. And it still came out bomb, so praise the most high, y'all. Okay, so from here, I think I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. I'm going to shut my mouth So you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Okay, there you have it, the finished product. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is what it looks like on my fingers. And I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to visit my store. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, peace everybody. And I hope again you enjoyed and come back again next time.